June 16th. Beautiful spring storm here in the Rocky Mountains. This is Route 16, Powder River Pass. And as you can see, it sure is pretty. I can say that because the roads are just wet. If it was on the roads, it probably wouldn't be so much fun. Last time I was over here with my camper, there was about 3 or 4 inches of snow on the road pulling my camper. That was fun. So, anyways, here you go. A little spring snowstorm in the Rocky Mountains. Pretty nice. There's somebody with a camper coming across, but they're glad it's not on the roads. All right, that's it. See ya.